guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. Today's recorder sprint is happy birthday, so let's go ahead and get started. I will give you 1, 2, and then we start. 1, 2. Now let me show it to you once from the side so you can see the D. 1, 2. So that's happy birthday. Hope this helps you out. Check out my other recorder sprints and my recorder tennis lessons. Check out my music minutes. Check out the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend.